Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from TCL device to TCL 20L. Firstly, go into Play Store on both devices, click on the search bar and type Send Anywhere. Then you need to download this app from this developer and open it. Then choose I accept, click Confirm, Continue and Allow on both of them. Now click on Receive on TCL 20L and Send on TCL device. After that, tap on all of those kind of dots and choose Send in order to send all of your data. But it will take a while, so I will only go with this one photo. Choose Send and click Got it. From here we have two ways to connect. You can input this key over here and choose Receive or Scan QR code. If you wish to scan it, tap on the scanning icon over here, select Allow and point your camera at the code. Now we have to wait a bit. And as you can see, my photo was successfully transferred. If you wish to check it out for sure though, you can always go into some kind of Files app, select in my case Images and look for Send Anywhere folder. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!